All right, let's go ahead and look at probability of an event that are not mutually exclusive. So if A and B are not mutually exclusive, then the probability of A or B is going to be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first example here. It is equally probable that the pointer on the spinner shown will land on any one of the 8 regions, number 1 through 8. If the pointer lands on the borderline, spin again. Find the probability that the pointer will stop on an even number, let's see, on an even number or a number greater than 5. So you don't have this problem in your worksheet. I kind of copied this from your homework because I thought it's much easy for me to work on your homework problems because it makes much more sense. So the first thing you have to see here is, can I have an even number that's greater than 5? Yes, I can. I have a 6, I have an 8. So when your answer is yes, that means they are not mutually exclusive. Okay, mutually exclusive. They're not mutually exclusive. So what I need to do is first find the probability of an even number. So probability of an even number or number, I'm just going to say number greater than 5, which is probability of an even number plus probability of a number greater than 5 minus probability of an even number that is also greater than 5. And let me expand this one. Let me erase this. Just going to put a minus here. Minus probability of an even number that's even and greater than 5. So let's go ahead and first find out what is the probability of an even number. How many even numbers do I have? Let me erase this one. I'm going to go ahead and highlight them in red. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 even numbers. So it's 4 over 8. Probability of a number greater than 5. How many numbers that are greater than 5? So let me go ahead and highlight them in green. Greater than 5 is 6, 7, 8. So I have 3 numbers that are greater than 5, which is 3 over 8. Now I also have to find out how many numbers are even and greater than 5. How many numbers are even and greater than 5? I'm going to circle them with blue. So even and greater than 5. Even and greater than 5. So if you see that, let me erase this. So you see the numbers that are even and greater than 5, right? Even and greater than 5. So there are 2 numbers. So that is, this would be 2 over 5. Sorry, 2 over 8. Now if I put everything together, this is probability of an even number, probability of a number greater than 5, and probability of a number that's even and greater than 5. So when I put all of this together, I'm going to go ahead and erase this so I can put everything together. You know what? Let me expand it here. I'm going to make a box and write everything in there. Oops, not a perfect box. Let me try that again. Yes. So my answer is probability of an even number plus probability of a number greater than 5 minus probability of even and greater than 5. So probability of an even number was 4 over 8. So 4 over 8 plus probability of a number greater than 5, 3 over 8 minus 2 over 8 from right here, right? So when I do all this, I get 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5 over 8, your final answer. Okay, so you have to go ahead and find each one of them and subtract. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this one more time so you all can see that this is the box that you should be looking at for your final answer. Okay, all right, so the probability is 5/8. This is your exact homework problem. So please pause and go back and take a look and see if you have any questions. All right, now let's go ahead and look at the last problem here. A table shows education attainment of the population of Mars age 25 and over expressed in millions. Find the probability that a randomly selected Martian age 25 and over has completed 4 years of high school or is a male. 4 years of high school only or is a male. So let me go ahead and look here. So I have a male, high school. Yes, some of them years of high school, some of them have less than 4 years. Some of them have 4 years only. Years of college, 4 years, 4 or more. So take your time to go ahead and read the table. So what this table is giving me is male students, right? Number of years of high school, less than 4, greater than 4. Female students, high school less than 4, greater than 4. College, less than 4, 4 or more. And again, the grand total always. So what I'm going to do right now here is I'm going to go back to the problem and see what they're asking me. They're asking me probability. They're asking me probability of high school. I'm just going to say high school only, right? Only is very important. High school only or is a male. So first question, can I have a person who has completed high school only and is a male? Yes, I can, right? Completed 4 years of high school only. So exactly 4 years of high school only and is a male. Yes, so I can have that. So let me go ahead and find the probability. Probability of a high school, or stands for plus probability of male. Because they are not mutually exclusive, I have to subtract probability of being in high school and being a male. So let's go ahead and look at that. Probability of 4 years of high school, 4 years of high school only male. How many of them are 4 years of high school? You see that? 23. Okay, very good. 4 years of high school. This did not say male, so 4 years of high school here, 4 years of high school female, 4 years of high school altogether. Okay, so probability of having 4 years of high school is total is 45 divided by the grand total, which is 149, plus probability of being a male. I'm going to pick another color here. Probability of being a male, total. Do you see that? Total is 78. How many males do we have? 78 over 149 minus, do I have a combination of high school and male? Yes, I do. Do you see the double dot right here? This double dot tells me that is a combination of high school and male. So the easiest way to do, so let me finish this one, which is 23 over 149. So I'm going to erase this one and I'm going to show you the easiest way to do this. Probability of high school, 4 years of high school. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, 4 years of high school. Probability of male, I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, male. So what you will do is you will take the total here, but you will subtract something that is the intersection of both of them, because you know why? You counted these 23 when you're counting 4 years of high school. You counted these 23 again when you're counting the total number of males. So that's the reason why you subtract. And again, you always have to give your answer in simplest form. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in my Desmos. So it is 45 plus 78 minus 23. Okay, where is my Desmos here? 45 plus 78 minus 23 divided by, everything divided by 149, 49. And again, you will have your answer in decimal, which is again, you have your answer in decimal, but you have to go back and change it to fraction, which is 100 over 149. So your final answer is 100 over 149. All right. So again, you always have to subtract because the only reason why is you're counting the same number twice again and again. Okay. All right. So once you have any questions, I pretty much covered every homework problem here. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me.